Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khwaja Shawal and today my topic of discussion is dilute solution. So what is dilute solution? We know that a solution consists of two components, solute and solvent. For example, when we dissolve sugar in the water, you get a sugar solution. In this solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent. Now listen carefully. A solution which contains small amount of solute dissolved in solvent is called dilute solution. Let me repeat it. A solution which contains small amount of solute dissolved in the solvent is called dilute solution. For example, when you dissolve 1 teaspoon sugar in the large amount of water, from this you get a dilute solution. If I ask you that why it is a dilute solution, you will be give the answer that the amount of the sugar is small and the amount of the water is large in this solution. Now what are the best examples of dilute solution? The best example of the dilute solution is the vinegar. We use this in our homes. Vinegar is made of acetic acid and water. Acetic acid is dangerous. We cannot use it directly. So to reduce its effects, dissolve small amount of acetic acid and large amount of water in order to make it a dilute solution commonly known as vinegar. Secondly, seawater is also an example of dilute solution because it contains small amount of salt and contain large amount of water. Third, paints is also an example of dilute solution because we take a small amount of paint and take large amount of petroleum. These are some examples of dilute solution. After this, you also must know that what will be the considered to be a dilute solution. A solution in which there is relatively small amount of solute in large amount of solvent is considered a dilute solution. For example, if you take or buy a solution of 12 mole per dm cube of HCl or hydrochloric acid, is considered as a concentrated solution. Concentrated solution means that the amount of solute will be large amount and the amount of solvent will be small amount in this solution. If you take or buy a solution of 2 mole per dm cube of HCl or hydrochloric acid, then it is considered a dilute solution because in this solution the amount of solute is small and the amount of solvent is large. Therefore, remember that a solution is only considered a dilute solution if it contains comparatively small amount of solute and large amount of solvent. Finally, let me to teach you a bonus concept. Do you hear that what is dilution? The process of decreasing the concentration of solute in a solution is called dilution. Consider an example of salt and water solution. Let the amount or concentration of solute or salt in this solution is 20 grams and the amount or the concentration of water in this solution is 100 grams. Now if I added 50 grams water in this solution, I further increase the amount of solvent. The amount of solute remains the same, thus increasing the concentration of solute in the solution. By adding more solvent, it is known as a dilution. This is all about of dilute solution and examples of dilute solution.